I'm actually surprised. I've been seeing a lot of bad reviews of lner First Class and TripAdvisor. People saying things like disgusting, horrendous, non-existent customer service. And I've not properly reviewed lner First Class on the channel. So I thought I'd come here to Edinburgh and we'll get a single down to Newcastle and we'll see what it's really like and see what kind of experience I get. So let's get on board. It's a 9-coach train and I'm in coach M today. No, coach L today. Quick seat tour before we go. Pretty nice, got a nice leather headrest there. Decent sized table. So you can get your work done on the way to London. We've got the menu here as well. It's currently 7:30 in the morning, so it'll be obviously the breakfast menu. Pretty standard stuff. Got your armrest there. Pretty comfy seat.
Check your ticket is valid, otherwise you will be required to purchase a new one. Again, we have no...
So as always, we'll give the seat recline a go. Splendid. That's us moving now. On time departure. Tell you something, it's not a busy cabin at all.
Any hot drinks for yourself?
I'll take a black coffee, please.
No worries. Going into train today, or are you videoing something?
Yeah, just doing a little YouTube video.
Nice. What channel?
Rory Farish.
Oh, fine. Might search that up later.
Perfect, thank you. Appreciate it. So there we go, exactly what you want. A nice, good cup of coffee in a proper ceramic mug. Look at this, check it out. No messing around, just nice, good service. There we go, good start. I'll tell you something, I do quite like the leather headrest. It's nice and comfy. Hiya, can I take orange juice, please?
Orange juice, of course.
Thank you.
You could.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
That's
Appreciate it. Look at the nice countryside as we leave Edinburgh.
Hi there.
Hiya.
Morning. Any breakfast this morning?
Yes, please. Can I take the toasted avocado muffin?
Absolutely. Any sauces or anything with it?
Yeah, go for some ketchup,
Ketchup,
please.
no worries.
Thank you.
There you are.
I mean, there is genuinely nothing better than just sitting here on a nice Thursday morning, good weather, good view, good coffee. So obviously before I got on we did try out the lounge, it was really nice. Flash up some videos now for you. Got good seats, good selection of drinks and coffee, some water and a fridge as well, a few croissants. Overall pretty nice. One other thing I should mention is that we are on the Azuma train, so there's 2 trains running with lner right now. So you've got the Azuma, which is primarily the new one, and you've also got the Intercity 225, which does London to Leeds, I believe. I do believe the seats in the Intercity 225 is a lot better. Nice big leather cushioned seats, but these are still pretty nice and comfy. Now these trains are nicknamed the Azuma because it's Japanese influence. So Azuma means east, and these trains were built in the UK but are around 30% Japanese. They're built by a company called Hitachi and they've incorporated bullet train technology from Japan. That's why it's quite quiet, it's quite smooth on the ride. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, have you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's thank you.
Cheers. So that was the North Sea there, very good view. If you're coming down to London then you want to be sitting on the left hand side of the train and you'll get a nice view. Coffee's at a drinkable temperature. Very nice.
Very nice, sir.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. There we go, food's arrived. There we go, food's arrived. Must admit, it's not the most appetising looking thing, but I'm sure it tastes lovely. I believe we're in Berwick upon Tweed now. Very nice. I'm going to get tucked in. Let's see how the avocado on a muffin tastes. Must admit, doesn't taste too bad. Don't really have avocado that often, but seasoned quite nicely. Tastes alright. It's orange juice. So as you've seen there, staff and service have been absolutely impeccable. Really pleasant, respectful, helpful. Just straight to the point, exactly what you need, no messing around. And as a passenger, that's what you really appreciate. Same with Avanti, you've got nice metal cutlery, you've got proper glasses, proper ceramic mugs and proper plates. So nothing to complain about there. Certainly puts TransPennine to absolute shame. Check out, we're getting right up to top speed now, 125 miles an hour. So So yeah, something nice and light to start the day off. Surprising, when you wake up really early you feel starving and it doesn't really take much to fill you up. So far I've not really seen what the reviews are about, nothing to complain about at all, just been absolutely brilliant, straight to the point, exactly what you need. There we go, all done, perfect. Absolutely incredible.
Any more hot drinks for yourself?
Yeah, go for another coffee please.
Yep.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
Cheers.
So obviously you can check this out for yourself, but on TripAdvisor, if you go London North Eastern Railway, there is 323 one-star reviews and only 255 good ones, which was quite surprising, so that's why I've given it a go today. I'll read a few of the one-star reviews out. One of them says, rubbish first class, food, it was dry, not fresh, it was in tubs and stuff like that, so maybe that was a different menu or something. Another one says horrendous. It said the train was absolutely filthy. They got to the seats, there was beer cartons everywhere, there was packages of sandwiches everywhere, and it was also shouted at by station staff, having paid in excess of £200 for the tickets. So on this trip down to Newcastle, single cost me £50, paying full price on the app, which I thought was pretty decent considering lner, one of the most expensive in the UK. We've got armed police outside. I think they found me, guys. Thank you. Fantastic. Welcome to Newcastle. Yeah, it's a lovely big station here, nice and fresh. So, what did I think of that journey? Well, overall, it's absolutely impeccable. Service was incredible, seats were nice and comfy, good food, good coffee, proper plates and cutlery and everything like that. So, nothing really to complain about. Obviously, whether that's consistent across all services is another question, but with my experience that you've just seen there, it's absolutely perfect. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. So with that said and done, I'll leave you with a lovely view of the historic Newcastle train station. And with that, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.